In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action X3, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the phone. So to get started, once you have the SIM card in the device, you can just navigate into the Contacts app right here, and you will see basically all the contacts that you have right now on the SIM card and on the phone. And they are basically divided into SIM, where you have the SIM icon, that's basically the contact that is on SIM, and the one without any icon are just the ones that are on the phone. And if you want to move, for the instance, from the SIM to the phone, you just select, for instance, this number, the totally real number, tap on the dots right here, and then you have the option copy to phone. Just tap on it, and it will give you a little message that there's a duplicate because right now there's two of them, one is on the phone and one is on the SIM. So you can basically merge them so they don't like conflict and they don't show up twice as they are right now. But that's basically how you can copy contacts to the phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.